Walkman. Masaru Ibuka, honorary chairman of the Sony Corporation, often roamed the company halls examining new products as they were being produced. One day in 1978, he found technicians in one room working on lightweight, high quality headphones. In another wing, far down the hall, he found other technicians at work on another new Sony product, a small cassette tape player. Thought Ibuka. Why not combine the two products? Why not use the headphones in place of the speakers in the cassette player? Add batteries to provide power and make a small high quality player that people could carry anywhere. Ibuka's creative thinking brought the world a brand new product. Called the Walkman, his portable player proved to be an instant bestseller and the forerunner to modern sound innovations like the handy iPod. Science is peppered with examples of sudden connections like these. While they might seem accidental, there is usually more than just luck involved. Behind the scenes, there is a curious and creative mind at work.